In today's video, I'll show you a simple trick to hide layers in Canva. A great way to temporarily remove elements without deleting them. Start by opening your Canva design and selecting the layer or element you want to hide. Then look at the toolbar above your design for the transparency icon. It looks like a square with a checkered pattern. Click it and a slider will appear. Slide it all the way down to 0 and the layer will become completely invisible. Don't worry, the layer isn't deleted, it's just transparent, giving the effect of being hidden. To check your layers, right click on your design and hover over the layer option. Click Show Layers to see a list of all layers and confirm which ones are hidden. When you want the layer back, simply move the transparency slider up and it will reappear. And that's it. This method is perfect for experimenting with layouts and managing complex designs without losing any content. Happy designing!